Xiaomi Mijia Scooter 1S with 30 km range, 25 km/h top speed launched. Mijia Scooter 1S is the latest electric scooter to join the Mi ecosystem of products. While you don't see too many electric scooters, especially ones that aren't as large as regular petrol-driven scooters, this kind of vehicle is very popular in the rest of the world. Xiaomi has been marketing a range of compact electric scooters for some time now in its home market of China, and it has now launched Mijia Scooter 1S. Priced at 1,999 Chinese yuans, roughly 21,700 rupees, the Mijia Scooter 1S is currently available on various e-commerce platforms in China with the option to ship internationally. Mijia Scooter 1S features. The Mijia Scooter 1S has a range of 30 km on a full charge, with a DC motor that is rated for up to 3,000 hours of use, according to report by Gizmo China. The scooter is capable of a top speed of 25 km/h, and features disc brakes with ABS, anti-lock braking system. The scooter weighs just 12.5 kilograms, and can take up to 100 kilograms of load on its footboard during operation. The scooter additionally features various operation modes, including energy saving, normal, and sports mode. There's also a display at the top that serves as a dashboard. This gives varied information about the scooter including speed, battery, and any issues with the scooter. The tires are inflatable, and the body of the scooter is made with aircraft-grade aluminum alloy. The small size and folding mechanism make this scooter ideal for short-range commuting and quick runs in the neighborhood. The scooter is already available to buy on some Chinese e-commerce sites, although the price is considerably higher with international shipping. There's no word on when or if the product will be launched in India, but Xiaomi has been bringing some of its unique ecosystem products to the country, including the recently announced Mi Robot Vacuum Mop P, which is priced at $236.49, 17,999 rupees. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.